Hey guys, my name is Shreya. If you haven't seen my face before, you can subscribe down below and click on that notification bell that you will be notified every time I post a video. Today, we are going to look at a mini haul of Nykaa which was done after the lockdown got over. So Nykaa had some amazing offers going on, amazing sales which allowed us to restock back on the makeup. I don't have so many items to show to you guys, but I do have around 14-15 items which I got on a great discount. So let's get on to the video. First, I got this Lotus White Glow Serum. All the prices are going to be listed down in the description box and in the video. So I was wanting to try a low budget serum for my face from a long time. I have kind of normal to dry skin, which leads me to have certain problems with applying makeup. Then I got this Fit Me concealer in the shade Caramel 40. I am a really dark tone. Earlier I had the same concealer in the shade Light Ledger. It was really difficult for me to apply makeup with that concealer because it made me look grayish. Everybody used to ask me that, are you ill or something? That's why this time I have not done the same mistake. I've got the exact shade for my skin tone. Then I've got this Super Saver pack from Garnier where I got the micellar water and a BB cream free with it. So this is a 125 ml bottle. I've heard great reviews about this product, which will help me to remove my makeup without any rashes. So here it mentions it is even for sensitive skin, removes makeup, cleanses and soothes, which can be used all over your face. And this is a small BB cream that I received with it. It reads Garnier Skin Naturals BB Cream Beauty Benefit Cream Daily All-in-One Moisturizer. I haven't tried it yet, but I'll let you know how this works on my skin. The next thing I got was a brow pencil from Maybelline. It's darkish brown in shade. I don't think it will suit my eyebrows, but still I can make it work. The next thing I got from Maybelline was this compact which retails for 199 rupees. It's in the shade Light Beige. Actually, there was an offer going on Maybelline brand. If you buy products worth rupees 699, you will receive a free mascara. It reads Alice plus Olivia by Stacey Bennett by Maybelline. I am wearing that mascara right now. It's a waterproof mascara. It retails for price 475, but I got it for free. It's a huge value offer. Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Let's see how well does it work. After that, I have around 6 to 7 lipsticks. Let's start from this one. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Metallic Lip Cream. It comes with a flat wand with a slight edge on its end. I don't know if you guys can see, it has a slightly shimmer sheen to it. The shade is Rome, metallic Rome. Next we have the Nykaa So Matte lipstick. In the shade California Merlot. It gives you a vibe of a dark wineish red. Don't go on my description. You can see the color for yourself. I don't know how to describe the perfect color. So this one is also a So Matte Nykaa lipstick in the shade 29M Scarlet Siren. So this is kind of an orangish red, which will suit almost all skin tones. You should be comfortable wearing it. So these formula takes a little bit of time to dry down on your lips. It's not that long lasting. The last shade in the So Matte range I've got is Chocolate Truffle. It's a dark brown which gives you a sensation of chocolate and coffee at the same time. Next we've got the Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color in the shade 19 Veronica. So this is a beautiful, beautiful red color which we can wear in an everyday basis. It takes a little bit of time to dry down on your lips, but it gives your lips a really good finish and it doesn't let them dry very soon. It keeps them moist and they look really even. The next shade is Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color in the shade Betty 18. So this sort of lipstick have a good applicator which allows you to take small and big strokes. So this is the shade I'm wearing right now. It's like a light nudie kind of shade which doesn't let your lips be overpowering at times. The last lipstick we have here is the L'Oreal Luxe Leather by Color Riche lipstick in the shade 294 Melissa's Fingertips. So we have the same diamond cut applicator. This also comes in the shade of that orangish red. It's not a matte lipstick, but it definitely provides a creamy texture to your lips. It doesn't dry it down, leaving your lips chapped. It will provide moisture to your lips and keep them hydrated all day long. It might not long last, but still, it's a beautiful, beautiful color. And that's it for my Nykaa haul. We'll surely meet soon, really, really soon again. Bye-bye.